If you're looking for a breakfast that is quick, filling, and easy to make, then you are in the right place. Today, I'm sharing one of my favorite smoothies that keeps me energized and satisfied. Let's make it together. I'm starting with 5 tablespoons of oats. Oats are a great source of fiber, which helps keep you full for longer and support healthy digestion. Next, I'm adding 1 banana. Bananas provide natural energy and are rich in potassium, which supports normal muscle and nerve function. Now, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. Peanut butter contains healthy fats and a little protein, making this smoothie more satisfying and helping you stay fuller for longer. Next, I'm adding 2 dates. Dates add natural sweetness, so you don't need to add sugar at all. They also provide fiber and important minerals like potassium. Now, I'm pouring in 120 grams of full cream evaporated milk. Milk adds protein and calcium, which are important for strong bones and muscle health. Finally, I'm adding some chilled water. The chilled water helps blend everything smoothly and gives the smoothie a refreshing, easy to drink texture. Now it's time to blend everything together until it is smooth and creamy. If you are enjoying videos like this and you're looking for a simple ways to live healthier lifestyle, don't forget to subscribe to Adunni Essence. On this channel, I share simple workouts, easy recipes, and practical wellness tips to make healthy living part of everyday life. I'm serving my smoothies with hard-to-boiled eggs. Eggs are an excellent source of high-quality protein, which helps keep you satisfied and support muscle health. Paired with this smoothie, they make a balanced breakfast or a great post-workout meal. And that is it, a simple, nourishing breakfast that is easy to prepare and perfect for your days. Remember, healthy living doesn't have to be complicated. Small, consistent choices can make a big difference over time. If you found the video helpful, please like, leave a comment, and share it with someone who might enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Bye.